I am Richard Clouch. I'm the chair of the Theater Arts Department at Boise State University. We produce 4 main stage productions every academic year and play for our university community as well as the community at large. We offer a variety of types of plays, musicals, operas for our audience base and for our students to gain as much experience with as wide a variety of types of shows as possible. We're getting ready to open Little Women, the Broadway musical, a great show for our cast, our crews, our orchestra, and our audiences. It's a great family show. We'll be performing in the Morrison Center Main Hall, one of the premier performing arts centers in the country.
I'm Carrie Fitch. I'm the costume shop manager. The challenge in the spring semester is that our first show is our biggest show of the year. So students have to get up to speed really quickly with a certain set of skills so that they can help with the construction process. They're expected to participate as much as they can.
My name is Tess Gregg Worstel. I'm a theater arts major. I'm playing Jo March. She is a rambunctious, fiery tomboy is the best way to describe her. She is passionate, she's a writer, she wants to go to big places and do big things.
My name is Kellyanne Condon and I'm a nursing student. I am playing Amy March and she's a bit of a troublemaker. She's kind of a snot at the beginning of the show. She's very young and so she's very self-involved and always thinking about what's going on in her life and woe is me and such. But the most amazing thing about Amy is that through the run of the show, she grows up.
My name is Shelby Ann Boyce. I am a music performance major, vocal emphasis. I play the role of Meg, Margaret March. She's really fun. Even though she's the oldest of the 4 sisters, she's the most romantic.
My name's Libby Stewart. I'm a biology major with a human biology emphasis. I am playing the role of Beth March. She is the 2nd youngest sister. She is definitely the kindest sister, I would say. She loves all her sisters so much, and she is just a gentle soul.
Our productions are supported in part by fees from students at Boise State. And in return, we make sure that every student at Boise State has a free ticket to every one of our productions. And we also keep our productions open for participation by students from around the campus.
You don't have to be a music major or a theater arts major to be involved in the productions here. I have always been interested in singing and dancing and acting before I came to college, and I knew it was something I still wanted to pursue. And Boise State has given me opportunities to continue the things that I love to do.
It's a wonderful opportunity to get to be a part of a show. Even though I'm not a theater major, I'm not a music major, get to still pursue that passion of theater is just an incredible experience.